So today we're trying to fix a power steering hose on my truck. This is not going to be fun. I can't really see this. Get the belt off so I can get that pulley off, which you need a special tool for apparently. It's press fitted on there, so the tool goes around there and pulls it off. So we gotta try and do that. So the truck is still hot, so I'm just waiting for it to cool down. I don't want to get burnt. So we're gonna try and fix this mirror, which isn't gonna be all that much fun either. It came off right here. That's it, pull that off, get to it. But no, you gotta take this whole freaking door panel off. So we gotta figure that out. I know there's bolts everywhere, so I gotta figure this out. And I don't know where they are, so yeah, fun. So I found 2 bolts, one there, and then one over here. It's a 6 mil. Where is it? 6 mil. And there'll be more. Thinking there might be some in here, maybe. Probably up in here. And then the rest should just be clips, I'm hoping. That might come off, I don't know. So we'll get these off, and then I'll find the other ones and I'll show you where those are too. So there's pop that cover off, and there's 2 in there. These are 8 mil. So get those off. Okay, so the door panel, you take those out, which is a 10 mil. There's another 10 in here. There's 2 6 millimeter over there. And then you take this panel off. This was on here. And then you get to the speaker, which is a, come on, 5.5. So then I think the door panel should just come right off of there. Okay, so get the speaker out. This was in here. Pop that off of there. And then you gotta take these out of there. Might have to get a better pliers. Pop those off, and then it should be able to pull off, hopefully. Alright, so that's done. Got the mirror back on there. Which, I don't know, seems kind of shitty, but yeah, mirror's on there. Built off. Everything's cooled down. Actually went and picked something up here, so still have to do the mirror. Now we can take that. I'll get this tool. Okay, so we got this tool which slips over top of that pulley. I gotta figure out again which way it goes, and then this slips on there so it doesn't pull apart, and then I'll try and film, but I don't know if I can get it in there very well, so we'll give it a whirl though. So this, let's figure it out. It'll be like that. This comes over that like that. It's not very focused, so and then the other one, and then this goes like that, and this goes in there like that, and then you tighten it up and it pulls that pulley off. So I'm gonna do that. My phone's kind of in the way here, so I'll just do it. Oh, Finally got the pulley off. Now, there's something under there that I need to get to. Is it that one right there, I believe? Right there, so I need to find the right wrench for that and try and get that out of there. And I can't see it, but maybe I can go under there and show you. So with that, okay. So this right there, I need to get out of there now. They make this difficult. Let's get to it. So I'm slowly getting it here. So this here needs to come out. There's very little room. I think the instructions say to cut this pipe off, but that's fairly difficult. I didn't feel like giving my truck an oil change today. So if you change your oil at the same time, you could get the filter off, the oil filter. I think it'd be probably a lot easier. That you could maybe cut that off and then get a ratchet in there, but I'm just using a wrench. Yep, slowly getting it off. I think that one's out of there. There was a bolt right in there. And I had to take that off, which was right, just covering all this mess. Now there's another, I don't know if you can see it, another little bolt there that I gotta get out of there. And then that hose just kind of pops out of there. And then that one should also just come out now. So I'll just do that. I ended up taking my air out of there. Gives me more room. Then there was a bracket here. Also took that off. A lot more room, and then I was able to get down there a little bit better. So I got it off now. Finally. There was another bolt here that was up in there. That was annoying. And a sensor. I'd actually have to take that off there too now. So that's that one, and then the new one. Here's the new one. So gonna have to do something. Yeah, I'll put that one on there now. So got that hose back on there. Was not fun. Did not enjoy it. So hopefully it doesn't leak anymore because I'm sick of adding oil all the time. Got to figure out how to put the pulley back on with using this stuff. And then put the belt back on. Fill it back up, put the air thing back on. I'm just gonna do that stuff and then we'll see what happens. So I got the pulley and the hose all put back on my truck. And I tell you, I bought a tool from Canadian Tire to push the pulley back on. The first one, the threads, I threaded in there and it's stripped. So that was no good. And went and bought another one. That one broke right in half. So I don't know if I did something wrong, but to me, one, maybe my error. But two of them breaking on me, I don't know. But what ended up working is just a bolt from the hardware store that I threaded in there with some spacers and washers, held the pulley tight, and then I was able to get it on with that. So just a regular old hardware store bolt that is not as strong as these tools that are designed for it. That didn't break, but the tool made for the project did break. So my opinion, those tools, I got them from Canadian Tire. Junk. I wouldn't buy another one. But once I got the pulley on there, I put everything back together, put the belt back on. And I think in the process, somehow I messed up my pump itself. because it's leaking more than ever before. So now I gotta figure out how to get that pump off, which is gonna be a task. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, so I gotta fix that now. So yeah, that's another video. This is a bad ending to this video. Keep watching, subscribe, comment, like, share. Have a good day.